Shortly after I started to work with Chad, I discovered how easy it is to actually make progress when someone is actually walking you through the process, when actually there's someone that I need to report back to, when someone that there is someone to push me forward. Chad wasn't taking any of my excuses. Chad sat with me for as long as it took to really find those money-making activities in my business, to throw out everything that was irrelevant or just inefficient. And it was just such a great, experience, because I was delaying, procrastinating, and just overthinking about so many things. And he basically just helped me stop doing that, to make quick decisions, to start work, and to make significant progress that I was able to do in just a short couple of weeks. I guess that my favorite thing about working with Chad is that I get someone to basically share all of my ideas with on a weekly basis, to really consult with, brainstorm with, and hear his thoughts, because there's so many times that he's thinking about things that I wasn't even aware of, that he helps me avoid, common struggles that I might have not even, been thinking about. It's an incredible experience. And I guess that the one thing that I really just enjoyed with Chad is his devotion and the way that he cares about his clients. I honestly believe that he would not work with you unless he was that sure that he can help you increase your sales and everything that you do. He's that just genuine. He's the kind of person that you can just trust, that you can know that he wouldn't take you up as a client unless he was just that sure. What I would recommend is just to have a simple conversation with the guy. If I would have this conversation with Chad a year before, my business would look very different right now. I would be in a much better place now. He makes this a priority. He gives his time to his clients just to be there and to support. This is something that I did not expect. Obviously, not from someone who I value his time so much. But the fact that he actually doesn't even mention the clock or doesn't even look at that, it is just incredible. There was no way that I would experience that with almost anyone else. I know, but I gotta say that Chad, and I didn't know that at the time, but when I started to work with Chad, he kind of set a new standard for me, because the amount of support, time, and just the amount of careness that I get here is just so much different than what I used to get. If it's the amount that he cares, if it's how he actually keeps on thinking about ways that he can support you even after the call ends. I mean, with other mentors, it was just, following a certain format. But here it's completely off script. Whenever he can support you, he'll jump on a call to support you. If you just finish a coaching call, but 2 hours later, he thought about something else that he can support you with, he won't wait one more week. He'll jump on a call with you. He'll initiate one more call just to mention those other tactics and ideas, things that can help me. This is something that I did not experience before. This is something that I obviously did not expect, but obviously this is something that really makes him so different and why I like working with him so much. If you are considering or curious about what Chad can do for you, is just to sit with a guy, because I know that you'll fall in love. I know that he'll prove to you why he is the one that you should hire, why he is just so different and so much more caring and amazing than probably whatever else you'll find online. Just do that and you'll see yourself.